Welcome! Now I want to build a non-random but custom dungeon. After building a base room, I choose a door, set the size, and build it. I want to build a corridor from a new door. I set the dimensions narrow and long and build it. Now I want to build some new rooms with the 25 basic presets. I choose the room with 2 staircases leading to a mezzanine and a new staircase leading to the floor and the next door. Now let's analyze the created rooms and go through the project. I choose a new door and build a room with the preset 2, which has a staircase on the left side, which then leads to a mezzanine on the right side, and another staircase that leads to the next floor. The whole room is lit by a 2-light system that you can edit in the Unity 3D editor.